Good afternoon, everyone, from Orlando's airport. Today, I'm going to be trying out Lufthansa's 747 Premium Economy class to see if it lives up to the airline's 5-star rating. On the table at check-in, there was a pamphlet for Lufthansa's mileage program, some bag tags, and a passenger rights booklet. The airport is quite crowded at this time of night. The flight is delayed, but Lufthansa's app alerted me right away. After quite a long delay, we are finally boarding. And here is my seat, 24K. On the seat there is a pillow and blanket waiting. The seat has a width of 19 inches. The legroom is absolutely amazing in this bulkhead seat. On the bulkhead seat there's a bassinet holder. The headdress was strong and very comfortable. The in-flight entertainment screen is here, and here's the remote for it. The tray table comes out of here. These are the recline and footrest buttons, and here's the amenity kit and a storage area. The headphone jack is located in the armrest. The seats were very well padded and had a very comfortable material. One thing unique to the bulkhead seats is the footrest, which comes out of here. The amenity kit was basic, but met all my needs. There are socks, an eye mask, a dental kit, earplugs, and a wipe. The bag that came in is quite fancy. The headphones were low quality. I was disappointed. There was only one option for pre-departure drink, which was mango juice. It was refreshing as Orlando Airport was hot. Lufthansa hasn't really done anything to jazz up their safety video. Departure time was 8 p.m., but luckily we're only 45 minutes late. Here's a look at our route. Our Boeing 747-400 will take us 7,620 kilometers over an 8-hour and 55-minute flight duration. The lavatory was kept clean, but it didn't have any special amenities. The cabin crew kept it clean during the whole flight. Here's a look at the in-flight entertainment. It responded to touch very well. Here's some recent movies that they have. I think there's a very good selection. There are also a lot of TV shows. Overall, I was very impressed with this IFE. The map was very disappointing. You couldn't move it, and it was just on a continuous slideshow. For the first time in my life, I tried the classic in-flight drink, tomato juice. It was served with some pretzels. Hot disposable towels were also handed out. There were two options, chicken or pasta. I went with pasta. It came with some bread, chocolate cake, a salad, crackers, cheese, butter, and salad dressing. The main dish was nice and hot. It was pasta and cream sauce with some mushrooms. It looks okay. I'll let you know what I thought about dinner after breakfast. Here's the in-flight literature. There's a safety card with a thin in-flight magazine. But it did have a lot of good articles. I thought I'd take a look at the fleet. And there's our Boeing 747, an aircraft that I've longed to fly for a long time. There's also a shopping magazine. This had a lot to offer. I was very impressed. There's an air sickness bag and a donation envelope. Good morning from the Atlantic Ocean. I had an absolutely amazing sleep. I only woke up once, which is rare for me. Here's breakfast. There was only one option. It had some fruit, some jelly, and a piece of bread, and my drink of orange juice. Here's what the main dish looked like. In my opinion, it looks pretty bad. It's some scrambled eggs with some meat and some potatoes. I was overall very disappointed with the food on this flight. While the dinner was okay, the breakfast was inedible. The scrambled eggs tasted like powder. The dinner was okay though. I would have expected more from a 5-star carrier. The Boeing 747 is just huge. The economy cabin is in a 343 configuration. Juice was passed out on a tray before landing. By the way, there was Wi-Fi available on this flight. For free, you could go and look at the Lufthansa app. But if you want to do anything else, you have to pay. I forgot to show you. There's also a power plug under the seats and a USB port under the TV screen. Okay, so here are my overall thoughts of this 747 Lufthansa Premium Economy. The flight was overall pleasant. The crew were good and always had a smile, but they really didn't do anything out of their way to keep passengers comfortable. The food was very disappointing as noted earlier. I'm not sure if this was a problem just with Orlando Airport, but this is something Lufthansa really needs to fix. The seat had an amazing amount of recline and legroom. This is excellent for a premium economy seat. I would fly Lufthansa Premium Economy again, depending on the price. I think the seat was amazing, the entertainment was great, but the food was really bad. Overall, I would recommend Lufthansa if the price seems right to you. I think if you value soft product more than hard product, I would choose a different airline for premium economy. But that's just my thoughts. Let me know in the comments what you think about Lufthansa's premium economy. Welcome to Frankfurt. We've arrived actually before scheduled arrival time, so luckily we made up our delay en route. Well, you've made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to comment any questions, suggestions, or any other comments below in the comment section. Also, if you want me to review a specific airline, let me know and I'll see if I can try to. Thank you so much for watching Journeying with Josiah. Have a great day. This is Journeying with Josiah. Bye.